Welcome students. Let us see here a very interesting question from the topic sequences. Okay, here question is, write the first 5 terms of the sequence given by a1 is equal to 1 and an, which is general term, an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2. Here we have to find first 5 terms. Okay, a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5, but a1 is already given here. So we need to find a2, a3, a4 and a5. Let us see the solution. Here we have a1 is equal to 1 and an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for n is greater than is equal to 2. So we are already having a1 is equal to 1. Now let us find a2. Okay, so a2 is equal to a2 minus 1 plus 2, and this is equal to a2 minus 1 means a1 plus 2, and a1 is 1. So this is 1 plus 2, this is equal to 3. This is the answer for a2. Now let us find out a3. So in place of n we are writing 3, we are replacing n by 3. So here we will get a3 minus 1 plus 2, and a3 minus 1 means a2 plus 2. And here we have got value of a2 is equal to 3. So this is 3 plus 2, this is equal to 5. Correct? Now let us find out a4. So we are replacing n here by 4. So here in the right hand side we will get a 4 minus 1 plus 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is equal to a3 plus 2, and a3 is how much? a3 is 5. So this is equal to 5 plus 2, and this is equal to 7. Correct? And the last term a5 will be a to the power, in place of n we have to write 5. So a5 minus 1 plus 2, this is equal to a4 plus 2, and a4 is equal to how much? You see, a4 is equal to 7. So this is equal to 7 plus 2, and this is equal to 9. So these are the answer. We are getting here answer. a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 3, a3 is equal to 5, a4 is equal to 7, and a5 is equal to 9. So these are the results. Okay, so very interesting, very simple question, but questions are very important for competitive examinations. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we will see some more problems in other videos too.